Today I'm going to show you how to make a realistic painting come to life using Filmora and their masking effect in only one take. Grab your footage, drop it down in the first track. Take a snapshot of a spot where there's nothing obstructing the area of the canvas. Drag that down here and then make it about as long as you think your video is going to be. Okay, I'm going to hide that for 1 second just so I can get myself to where I want to be at. See, I want to get right before I start wiggling my ear. See, I was just trying to get adjusted. Okay, right after I shrugged my shoulder, about right there. Cut that out. And then I'm going to right click it, go to speed, and then add a freeze frame. And what that's going to do is going to make me more still so it looks more like a painting. I'm going to go to effects, and I'm going to drag the image mask down onto the snapshot. Double click it and it'll pull up the settings for it. Enlarge it again. Find the right shape that you want. Invert it. The Y is the height. Bring it left, it goes down. Bring it right, it goes up. X, bring it left, it goes left. Bring it right, it goes right. So you just want to fine tune it to get it over your canvas or whatever it is that you're wanting to do. Just be patient with yourself and you'll get it. It just takes some trial and error. I try to center it up and then adjust it from there. Center it up again, make it a little bit wider. Okay, now make it to where you can see that bottom track, and about now is a good time to generate a smoother preview. And then right after I spin and turn right, I'm gonna cut that spot. Cut it right there. I'm gonna go forward because I got a big area in the video I want to cut out. Okay, now at the end, I'm gonna bring it back as soon as it gets dark. And anytime you need to, just hit that generate preview button and it'll make it smooth as butter for you. Now's the time for you to fine tune. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them if I can or point you in the right direction. Thank you for watching this. Have a very blessed day.